The Grand Strand is home to beautiful beaches, immaculate golf courses, exciting nightlife, and fun activities for all ages. Unfortunately, not every day is a day at the beach, but legal help is always within your reach. You need an experienced attorney working to secure the best possible outcome for you. When legal issues threaten to cloud your day at the beach, contact the law firm of McCutchen, Mumford, Vaught, O'Day, and Geddie today, and let us assist you with your claim.
We are your lawyers at the beach.
And welcome back to Carolina & Company Live. Your lawyers at the beach. They are always answering great questions. Now we're going to talk a little about injuries on the job.
That's right, and we have Vaught here with us today. So, injuries on the job, what should a person do if they get injured?
Well, first of all, most injuries on the job in South Carolina are covered by the South Carolina Workers' Compensation Act. If you work for an employer who is governed by that act, and that's any employer who has 4 or more employees on a regular basis, they're required to carry workers' compensation. You're going to have to pursue a workers' compensation claim for any injury. The most important thing you do first is to make sure the injured employee gives that employer notice of his or her injury. Don't assume that just because you were injured and other people saw it, that the employer has recorded that, made a report, and filed it with their insurance company. Beyond that initial reporting, and that reporting is also very important because the failure to do so could jeopardize your claim. Not only could it delay benefits and medical treatment authorization, but in some cases could also prohibit you from being able to bring a claim. Beyond that, the next most important thing, and sometimes it is the most important thing, is to seek immediate medical attention.
Right, now, how do you do that? How do you do that? What do you do? Just go down and say, I was hurt on the job, help me?
Correct. Something similar to that. And the medical treatment is something that's kind of unique under our workers' compensation system. The insurance carrier, the workers' compensation insurance carrier in South Carolina under our laws is able to direct and dictate your medical treatment. Plain and simple, they get to choose your doctor and tell you where you're going to go to get treatment. Now, usually that can't happen with that initial visit. You're injured on the job, you've got to have immediate medical attention, you're going to the emergency room or somewhere like that. But usually after the fact, they come back and they authorize and they take care of that.
Okay. And you also need to tell them at time of treatment, hey, this is a workman's comp.
Absolutely. They need to know that so that can be documented so the insurance carrier will understand and authorize that treatment and pay for it.
Sure, sure.
All right. Now, what benefits for injured workers? I mean, can they come back to work when they're still on workman's comp?
Sure. What's going to happen under most circumstances, if you're injured on the job, if the doctor that you're seeing feels that you need to be out of work for a period of time, that's going to be reported to the insurance carrier and the employer. The injured worker is going to be able to draw something called temporary benefits during that time. That's a check that's going to be sent to him or her every week until he's able to return to work. It's roughly equivalent to 2/3 of your average weekly wage in this state. So it's not dollar for dollar what you would get had you not been injured, but at least it provides you with some income during that time.
All right, so if they're out there watching today, you've been injured on a job, you need to ask questions. Your lawyers at the beach. These people can help you. And, oh, I hurt my leg. I need to talk to you after this. All right?
Make sure you report it first.
I'm going to report it. Stay with us. We'll be right back. A lot more coming up.